Welcome to the second part of your explanation of the one grammar topic, active to passive voice. Now, before we move on to this sheet, let's do a little recap of what we had explained in part 1. In part 1, we have explained which all major changes that take place from active to passive voice. First major change is that the subject in the active voice becomes your object and object becomes subject. So there is a flip in your voice sentences. Then second change, the verb is always in the third form in the passive voice. Next, the tense does not change, but its forms changes. And the fourth change was that pronoun changes take place. Now the third point which I just said, the tense, regarding the tense change, the tense does not change but its form changes. We can explain that in the form of this table. At a glance we can see all the tenses over here. Students, you can see I have put few crosses on this chart today. All these crosses means if a sentence is in this tense, future continuous, future perfect continuous, future past perfect continuous or present perfect continuous, then that sentence will not get changed into the passive voice. So these crosses represent that. Now let's see the other tenses one by one and what changes take place. This is the first one: simple present, simple past, simple future. In the simple present tense, first thing we should know the basic rules. What is the basic rule of simple present? Now let's see one example. Mom cooks food. This sentence is in active voice, cooks, right? Now we have to change this into passive voice. The rule is we are going to use be form is am are plus the third form of your verb. Now let's change this sentence. Food is cooked by mom. A flip is there and cooks becomes is cooked. Why? Because the rule says in simple present from active to passive, be form is going to be used. Is am are plus the third form. So you can see one example over here. I hope the rule is clear. Now let's go to simple past. Mom cooked food. Ed or the second form has been used. Now we have to change this into passive voice. The rule says in this be form was were plus the third form will be used. In simple present, is am are plus third form. In simple past, was were plus the third form. Now let's change this. Food was cooked by mom. A flip is there. Cooked has been changed into was cooked. Fine. So let's revise the rule once again. In simple past, be form was were plus the third form. Now let's go to simple future. In simple future, be word will be used. Now what was the simple basic rule? Will is there. Will plus be plus the third form. Let's see one example. Mom will cook food. Flip, food will be cooked by mom. So let's revise once again. In simple present, the rule is am are plus third form. In simple past, was were plus third form. And in simple future, will plus be plus the third form. Next tense, present continuous, then past continuous and future continuous. In your present continuous, being word will get added. Let's see its basic rule. Mom is cooking food. Is cooking food. Now let's change this into passive voice. Food is being cooked by mom. What have we changed? Is cooking has been changed into is being cooked. So the rule says being word will get added, and the third form we all know, the verb will get changed into the third form. Let's see past continuous. Again, being word will get added. Mom was cooking food. This is your basic rule, was verb plus the ing form. Let's change it. Food was being cooked by mom. Was cooking has got changed into was being cooked. So being word again has been added, and third form we all know that it's going to be there. So let's see both the tenses again. Being word will get added to your continuous tenses. Is, am, are plus being plus the third form. Was, were plus being plus the third form. Then in your future continuous, as you can see a cross over here, as I said earlier, if a sentence is in future continuous, it will not get changed into passive form. Let's move to our next line now. Present perfect. You should know the basic rule. Now, as in the continuous tenses, being word was added, over here been word will get added. B-double-E-N. Fine. Let's see one example. Mom has cooked food. Has cooked, present perfect. Food has been cooked by mom. We have added the word been over here. And cook, like cooked, is already in the third form, and in the passive also third form. So the rule is been word will get added. Let's go to our past perfect. Again, been word added. Mom had cooked food. This is your past perfect sentence. Food had been cooked by mom. Only been word has been added. The rest, the verb was already in the third form. So we can say that in our perfect tenses, been word has been added both in present perfect, past perfect. Now let's see future perfect. Again, same thing, been word added. Mom will have cooked food. This is your future perfect sentence. Let's change this. Food will have been cooked by mom. Will have been cooked by mom. So we can say that in the perfect line, been word is added. In the continuous line, being word is getting added. And in the last line, you can see crosses. If a sentence is in these tenses, then its passive form is not formed. Fine. That's it. Hope all the rules are clear. You can review the video for better understanding. Thank you. Have a nice day.